We're at Walmart in Norton. Here's what the big mountains look like today. It's hot and sunny today. Ain't the mountains pretty? This is a super center at Walmart. See the pretty clouds? I hear an airplane. There he is up there, you see him? We're at the price of dirt. That's where we're at right now. This parking lot is plumb full of people. Trying to show you what all these beautiful mountains looks like. Walmart has their own radio, did you know that? They have their own electric company too. The cheapest bag of dirt is $2.44 a piece. That's the cheapest bag of dirt. Over there is the Asian restaurant over by that white truck. And there's a Pizza Hut, a Radio Shack. All in this mall here. This is the community mall. There's all kinds of stuff here. Dentist's office, you name it. Eyeglass place. A Pet Smart here. Look at that beautiful sky. Ain't that pretty? All the way around us. How beautiful. Walk around, show you a little bit more of what Walmart here looks like. I'm sure you all been to a Walmart. Here's some beautiful flowers they've got. $14.88 a piece. Ain't they beautiful? Here's some for $21.74. The baskets are bigger. They're dirt, $6.97. Here's some more beautiful flowers, $14.88. Here's ferns, $14.88. I'd like to have 2 of them for my porch, but I ain't never got no money to buy them with. Now, when I was living in Kentucky, I dug my own up every year and put them on my porch. There's more potting soil, $6.97. Here's some more flowers, $29.97. Here's their trees. They got crabapple, cherry, flowering cherry, eastern redbud, cherry, and they are $29.97. I like to have me 2 of them cherry ones sit out in my yard. Here they got mulberry trees, chestnut hill outdoors, it says. Food plot trees. Ain't they beautiful? Here's some bug buster herb mixes. Lemongrass, rosemary. All right here. Here's a different angle at Walmart. More beautiful flowers, $19.84 a basket outside. Here's more beautiful flowers, $14.97 hanging baskets. Their mulberry trees are $44.74 a piece. We're in their garden section now, and the tomatoes are $8.97 a piece. Tomato plants, $8.97. The mint is $5. Lunchbox orange sweet peppers are $5. We're going to end this video right here. Thanks for watching. This is our Walmart shopping day. We didn't buy nothing, but somebody bought some dirt, and I brought them here to do it. Bye.